Hi everyone, I want to show you how you can get instant insights from your survey data using Inspirient and Chat GPT. I'm going to be using the Barclay IGS poll. It's a periodic survey of California public opinion on matters of politics and other public issues. So I've already downloaded the SPSS file and submitted it for analysis on our platform. And after only a few minutes, Inspirient has found all of the noteworthy findings within that survey. And now we're going to use Chat GPT to summarize those findings for us. So I'm going to ask, what is the single most important fact in this survey for a Republican? And the reply is, for Republican, the single most important fact in this survey is that 36.1% of Republicans surveyed believed that the US needed to remain in Afghanistan all these years, and its recent decision to withdraw from Afghanistan was a mistake. We also see that we have a reference to the analysis where this statement was derived. And now I can ask a follow-on question. So give me 3 ad messages for this result and propose a budget for each. And there we are. And this shows us that we get trustworthy results from Inspirient, but also we can use ChatGPT's knowledge of the world and bring that together. Thank you for listening.